Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to put Linktree on TikTok bio. Here are the steps to add your Linktree link to your TikTok bio on your mobile device. First, unlock your mobile phone. Then open the Chrome browser. Then go to Linktree website and make sure to log in to your account. Copy a Linktree URL from the dashboard by tapping the download icon, then hit copy. Once copied, open the TikTok app. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap Edit Profile or Edit. Find the website field requires TikTok business account. If you don't see this option, switch to a business account. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Account. Then switch to business account. Hit Next 5 times. Then tap Continue. Choose a category, for example, personal blog. Then hit Next. Go back to your profile. Tap Edit. Tap Links. And then tap Website. Paste your Linktree URL and tap Save. Check your profile to make sure the link is clickable. Take note, personal accounts don't have the website field, you need a business account. And make sure your Linktree is live and public. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.